Hello, my name is Girish Machindra Shinde. Enrollment number is 1951013. The presentation topic is Driver Assistance System. The presentation guide is Professor Rajaram Patil, sir. The Driver Assistance System. It is a predictive model of discretionary lane change behavior considering human factors in the framework of parameters. The author of this abstract is Abbas Ormaudi. This is the Journal of Automobile Engineering, and the abstract number is volume 234, number 4, March 2020. Abstract. Lane changing is regarded as one of the most challenging behaviors of the driver. The lane changing behaviors are divided into mandatory and discretionary. This study proposes an adaptive neurophysiology model of discretionary lane changing behavior in real traffic flow. Similar to other behaviors of drivers, lane changing is influenced by human factors including age, gender, level of driving experience, hastiness, cautiousness, and alertness, as well as environmental factors such as road and weather conditions. Identifying and measuring the said factors seems to be difficult or in some cases impossible. This study sorts out the lane changing behavior into movements and two time intervals. In these time intervals, distance and relative speed affected by the said factor are accounted for in terms of time parameters and fed as inputs to the proposed predictive model. Introduction. Advanced Driver Assistance System (ADAS) are electronic systems that assist drivers in driving and parking functions. Through a safe human-machine interface, ADAS increases car and road safety. ADAS increases user automated technology such as sensor cameras to detect nearby obstacles or driver errors and respond accordingly. This is the simple structure of driver assistance system. The blue color, violet color shows radar, blue color shows cameras, and red color shows ultrasound. How does ADAS work? Automobiles are the foundation of the next generation of mobile connected devices, with rapid advance being made in autonomous vehicles. Autonomous application solutions are proteins into various chips called SoCs, system on a chip. These chips connect sensor to actuator through interface and high performance ECUs, electronic control units. Self-driving cars use a variety of these applications and technologies to gain 360-degree vision, both near in vehicle's immediate vicinity and far. That means hardware design are using more advanced process nodes to meet ever higher performance targets while simultaneously reducing demands on power and footprint. Driver assistance applications. These are the some applications of ADAS: adaptive cruise control, alcohol ignition interlock devices, anti-lock braking system, automatic parking, automatic head-up display, automatic navigation system, automotive night vision, backup camera, collision advance avoidance system, electric vehicle warning sounds, emergency driver assistance, forward collision warning, pedestrian protection system, traffic sign recognition. Why is ADAS important? According to the August 2016 Traffic Safety Fact Research Note by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration (NHTSA), the nation lost 35,092 people in crashes on US roadways during 2015. This 7.2% increase was the largest percentage increase in near 50 years. An analysis revealed that about 94% of those accidents were caused by human error, and the rest by the environment and mechanical failures. The opportunity to reduce car accidents is making automotive ADAS even more critical. Automatic emergency braking, pedestrian detection, and gas detection are among the many ADAS applications that consist driver with safety critical functionality to reduce car accidents and save lives. The future of ADAS. An increasing amount of electronic hardware and software requires significant changes in today's automobile design process to address the conversion and conflicting goals. Increased reliability, reduced cost, shorter development cycle. The trend is shifting from distributed ADAS electronic controller units to a more integrated ADAS domain controller with centralized ECUs. This means that we are currently at what SAE International designates as Level 2, partial driving automation, where the vehicle can control both steering and decelerating, but falls shortage of self-driving because a human sits in the driver's seat and can control the car at any time. Conclusion. ADAS systems have tremendous potential to increase the safety comfort and effectiveness of our vehicles and transportation system. By many, ADAS is seen as stepping stone to fully autonomous vehicles. As we have seen, more systems and more advanced system increases weight, size, and complexity both on a system level as well as on the overall vehicle architecture level. Semiconductor companies are responding to above mentioned challenges by innovating their components. The technological expertise of semiconductor companies is more impactful than ever in the future development of vehicle autonomy. Thank you.